cat hairball remedies, cat shedding solutions, and how to prevent kitten diarrhea. It is Cat Meowth at Revival Animal Health, and we are going to answer the top 4 cat health questions cat owners ask our pet care pros. Now, this is Cynthia, and she is a pet care pro. That means she is trained by our on-staff vet, and every day she spends much of her time answering pet health questions from our customers. So it's time to find out the top 4 cat health questions she gets asked. Number 1 is how to prevent hairballs in cats.
Well, Shelley, to be fair, hairballs are actually a good thing.
Really? Ew.
In the wild. When wild cats eat birds and other small animals, they ingest the bones. Hairballs cover the ends of these bones so they won't puncture the cat's intestine. But domestic cats, they don't need that protection.
I think we all agree, though, that hairballs are unpleasant, to say the least. So how can cat owners prevent hairballs in house cats since they don't exactly live in the wild?
The best way is, of course, to brush your cat's hair as often as possible. There are also gels or soft chews that you can give your cat that help lubricate the ingested hair to help it easily pass through the GI tract. Customers have found products like our hairball remedy work very well. It's very tasty as well, so that's always a plus when they taste good. Cats are pretty finicky. Also, you can use a fatty acid supplement to help reduce your cat's overall shedding, and this will help prevent those hairballs. One that our customers like is a product called Missing Link. This product here, it contains omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, very important, and it also carries taurine, which is another important amino acid for cats.
Okay, good to know. Now, I know you also get a lot of questions about kitten milk replacers. So our number 2 cat health question comes from customers trying to find a milk replacer that doesn't cause kitten diarrhea. Is that even possible?
You know, Shelley, it is certainly possible. Diarrhea is a real problem, though, for bottle-fed kittens, and we get a lot of compliments from our customers on how well our product, our Breeder's Edge Foster Care, works for them. It is easy for kittens to digest, so there's no diarrhea or sore fannies. In addition, it has the right balance of protein and fat to help kittens grow and thrive. But also remember that overfeeding can cause diarrhea, so you want to keep those tummies more football-shaped and not too round like a basketball.
Great tip there. Now, we all know cats love to groom, but they still leave hair and dander around the house, and that can cause allergies for their humans. The number 3 question we get from cat owners is how to reduce cat dander in our home. What tips do you have for that?
The biggest tip I have is to clean and vacuum very often in order to remove that dander. And don't forget to frequently clean under furniture and wash the drapes, the curtains, the comforters, the blankets, and other items that can easily trap that dander. Again, daily brushing removes loose hair like we talked about with the hairballs. There are also cat beds made with special fibers that trap cat hair and dander. This amazing kitty lounge sleeper and this amazing kitty pad have soft polyester fibers that are like magnets for the hair and the dander.
And these are both really soft, and what I love is they're actually machine washable, so you just throw them in the washing machine and you're done. Easy.
And remember, your cat's diet does make a difference in how much she will shed. She or he, we shouldn't be specific there, I guess. Hair loss and excessive shedding can be a sign of an insufficient diet. If a poor diet is causing your cat to shed more, feeding higher quality food that has the right balance of vitamins, fatty acids, protein, and fats can really help.
So now let's talk question number 4 about cat vaccinations. Given how many vaccine orders we ship every week at Revival, it is no surprise you get a lot of questions on this topic, especially when it comes to whether killed and modified live vaccines are both safe for cats.
That's right, Shelley. We do get this question, and I mean a lot. One of the most important things to know about killed and modified live vaccines, though, is that they are both very safe. Killed vaccines use an adjuvant to stimulate the immune system to respond, whereas a modified live vaccine contains a wimpy virus, strain of the virus, that does not cause the disease, but it stimulates the immune system so it responds without the adjuvant. So how they create the immune response is different, but but they are both very safe to use.
Okay, great tip and good to know. Now, we hope we were able to answer some of your cat health questions. If you have another question that we didn't talk about, leave a comment below and we will get you the answer. And if you have any ideas for future topics you'd like us to talk about on the Pet Care Pro Show, leave your ideas below in the comments as well. I know Cynthia and our other Pet Care Pros are always happy to help answer questions, so don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-786-4751. And if you're watching this on YouTube, consider subscribing to the Revival Animal Health YouTube channel. I'm Shelley with the Revival Education Team. This is Cynthia, a Revival Pet Care Pro. Thank you so much for joining us for this cat meowth episode of the Pet Care Pro Show.
And very easy to clean. So
Okay.
I think you can just throw them in the washer.
Yeah, I think so too.